Welcome to Zoological World. Today we are discuss about fruit bat. The fruit bat is a large taxonomical family of related species, mostly originating from the tropical and subtropical areas of Africa and Asia. The fruit bat spends much of its time hanging upside down in trees or caves with other members of the same species. They are aptly named for their habit of feasting exclusively on fruits and plant parts. However, many species are currently endangered by hunting and habitat loss. Incredible fruit bat facts. The bat is an exquisitely talented flyer. In fact, it is the only mammal fully capable of flight. These bats have an unfortunate tendency to incubate viruses and other diseases. While the fossil record of the fruit bat is sparse, genetic analysis reveals that the ancestor of all fruit bats probably evolved more than 30 million years ago. One of the more amazing facts is that fruit bats play an important role in their local ecosystem by dispersing undigested seeds or pollen throughout the environment. Some plants have even evolved unique adaptations that make it easier for the bats to feed. This mutually beneficial adaptation is an example of a symbiotic relationship. Fruit bat scientific name. The scientific name for the family of fruit bats is Pteropodidae. This is derived from a combination of Latin words that roughly translate to mean wing foot in English. This family is also sometimes known as megabats, flying foxes, and old world fruit bats. However, it is possible to define fruit bat more broadly than this. It can mean basically any bat that consumes fruit. By this definition, there are several more species within the family of New World leaf-nosed bats. Scientific name Philostomidae. As the name suggests, the New World leaf-nosed bats reside in the Americas. They have therefore evolved very different physical and behavioral traits compared to their cousins in the Old World Pteropodidae family. Types of fruit bats. The Old World Pteropodidae family contains more than 170 different species across 41 different genera. The largest genus is known as Pteropus, which contains some 59 species alone, including the Indian flying fox, Rodriguez flying fox, the little red flying fox of Australia, and many others scattered throughout the Pacific Islands. Other well-known species include the Egyptian fruit bat, the hammer-headed bat, and the Butikophorus epauletted fruit bat of Western Africa. Fruit bat appearance. Despite being the only mammal capable of full flight, the fruit bat has many hallmarks of mammalian ancestry, including the long coat of fur and the ability to produce milk. Even the wing membranes are just extended flaps of skin. However, there are many defining features of a fruit bat, such as the relatively large eyes, the simple erect ears, the canine-like face, two upper and lower canine teeth, and a big rostrum, the beak-like part extending from the nose. Some species possess all manner of unique accoutrements. The tube-nosed fruit bats, for instance, have tube-shaped nostrils that project from the snout. The aptly named hammer-headed bat has a large, blunt snout that's shaped conspicuously like a hammer. The Frankwitz and Butikophorus epauletted fruit bats of Africa have scent glands on their shoulders decorated with small tufts of white fur for social purposes. The word epauletted literally means a type of decorated shoulder pad. Fruit bat predators and threats. Besides the threat of natural predators, the three greatest dangers to the fruit bat's existence are habitat loss, which destroys its roosting site and food sources, deliberate poisoning or shooting by farmers, to prevent them from raiding crops, and overhunting for their meat. Habitat degradation is further exacerbated by the looming threat of climate change. Fruit bat population. It is not known how many of these animals are alive today, but the number is likely to be quite substantial, given their wide distribution across Africa and Asia. According to the IUCN Red List, nearly half all fruit bat species are considered to be least concern. Another quarter of species are threatened in some capacity, and several of these, like the Rodriguez fruit bat, are currently listed as endangered or critically endangered. Putting a halt to habitat destruction may be the key to prevent these threatened species from sliding into extinction.